I am Mrs. Balajai Reddy, primary teacher, PMC KV Meenambakam, and this month I am completing my 30-year service of primary teacher. Today we are going to see about the new textbook, how to go about. Almost half of the months are over. You all will have gone through the textbooks. You will have observed so many things. Even then, I want to give you a small tips only. You all will be knowing, all are expert, all the senior most teachers are there. You will have gone through. But even then, the session should have started a little earlier. But anyhow, let me give my highlights about this textbook. What is the highlight of the new NCRT textbook? You might have observed it is the holistic approach. It is designed competency-based learning focusing on students' overall development, physical development, mental development, cognitive, aesthetic development. You may have observed so many activities based on the holistic approach only. And also the content of the lessons are relevant to the class-wise, connecting classroom learning to the real-life situations. Children can observe what they are in the day-to-day life. Here just they are coming to school and we are giving the name, that's all. So it is directly connected with their real life situation. And the flexibility, it encourages adaptive teaching, catering the diverse learner needs. It has framed in a simple language, even the slow learners can learn and understand easily. And integration, it is incorporates art, craft, music, games, technology, and interdisciplinary links for enriched understanding. So many pictures based on art, craft, they have even so many poems can be tuned, and so many games related to the grammar, everything can be taught accordingly. The book has been framed. And why these textbooks matter so much, it is student centric, emphasize on making learning joyful, participatory, and meaningful. And also, as it is the alignment with the NEP reflects India's educational aspirations and for quality and equity. And the 21st century skills aim to nurture critical thinking. So many activities have been given in the textbook. They should think and answer, and collaboration, creativity. So many paper folding activities have been given. It shows their creativity and communication also. And again, what are the salient features? The textbook come workbook. You might have observed that all the books are almost like a workbook. And sometimes we are ignoring that right from class 1 to all the 5 classes. The textbook work also should be completed simultaneously. In case if you are doing the textbook work on that day, they should note in their classwork column or homework column, today textbook, this page has been done in their textbook. And simultaneously, when the children are doing the work in their textbook, sometimes you are not correcting. It is mandatory that the textbook also should be corrected simultaneously. And here it is focus on listening, speaking, and gradual progression towards reading and writing. And more scope for learners' participation. So many activities have been given. It should be done by the students meticulously. And plenty of activities like picture reading activities. Let's speak. Every lesson there is a content. Let's speak. Think and answer. So it is the critical thinking, and it is the scope for reflection. Do you know? So many concepts are given that sometimes children won't be knowing, but teachers, we should prepare and tell them about that. In every textbook, you can see that do you know? So this is little, it will be apart from the textbook, the content. And detailed notes for teachers. In previous books, we won't have seen. Here it is given that what the teacher should do, what the children must do. It is easy for us now. It is just like everything is ready-made available. Just you no need to think. They have given what the teacher should do, what the children should do. And space for scope for exploring multilingualism. There is more than one language. In some exercises, they have given first you should be taught through their mother tongue. Anything what we are teaching, first you should ask them how will you say in if it is in Tamil Nadu, how will you say in Tamil? What this grammar, for example, inside, what will you say in Tamil? What will you say in Malayalam, Telugu? So it should be connected with all the languages. It has been even the book itself. It has given first the teacher should start with the mother tongue. and integrated grammar topics like verbs, nouns, articles, and prepositions. See, before and all, in previous thing, we should not tell the grammar, structural grammar name, we should not tell that. We should tell that action word or naming word or position or describing word in that way. People will say that even whoever comes, they said you should not tell verb, noun. Now it is given that structural grammar, it should be, we can teach through verb, noun, articles, preposition. This has been introduced. Though it was stopped before, I used to teach everything. I will be telling the formal grammar name only, verb, nouns, naming words are nouns. I will be teaching always from the beginning. I'm teaching the same, but now in the new book it has given that you should be used like verbs, noun, articles, prepositions, etc. And inclusion of Indian knowledge system, it is purely even the book name itself you can find out that it is fully about Indian system has been followed. And the curricular goals, you all must have noticed that you should be taken a printout and it should be attached with your lesson plan. Accordingly, your question, your teaching must go. Then now, as teachers, what we should do? We are the facilitators. We should guide students to explore questions and create. I'll tell you the next lesson how to create everything. So we should encourage the children to participate in all the activities. Children should be each and every period they should be engaged because that much of activity is given in the textbook. Children are encouraged to discover the concept through variety of classroom activities and discussions, so many experiential learning, and some exercise activities can be given to the children to do at their home and they can record and send. In that way, we should create the curiosity among the children. And every activity should have some learning outcomes. Then only we can test whether our activity has been the concept which you communicated through the activity, whether it has reached the children or not. That is more important. And collaborate. You share your experience and the strategies of effective implementation. See, whatever methodology you followed, that should be shared to the teachers, fellow teachers. Even you can give your classroom activity as an assembly program so that everybody will come to know that the methodology which you followed, how much it is effective, and all the children can gain knowledge through your activities. And innovate. See, every now and then what is the best practices followed and what is your action research, what is the innovation we are that is from RO and from KVS people are asking. So everybody should determine in their mind that I should innovate. See, for example, some will be very good in art. So through art you can do wonders. So many concepts can be taught through art. Some will be very good in singing, so you can tune the poems. Even for grammar, everything can be tuned and it can be taught to the children. And as far as me, I will be teaching all the grammar, especially nouns, collective nouns, homophones, homonyms, even all the grammar part I will teach through the song, because songs will be easily obtainable by the children. It will be in their mind forever, easily they won't forget. So if you are good in singing, you can teach through the song. All the concept you can teach through the song. As far as class 1 is concerned, I will convert the whole lesson into a song and I will teach so that the children will pick up the reading easily. So in case if you want to teach and if you are not good in singing, every school there is a music teacher. You can ask them to tune and you can ask her to teach her. They will teach and the children can follow that. And again, stories are taking more important in day-to-day life. For every concept, you go with the story. When you tell the stories, your body language, your props, everything should be should attract the children. So go with the stories. Nowadays, so many panel boards are available in all the classrooms related to the topic. You go with any animated story. You should be relevant to the topic also. The children will be very much interested to know, learn the concept very easily. And technology is nowadays very easy, so we make attractive PPT and go. Some lessons can be taught only through the PPTs. Some can be taught through the song. Some can be taught through the art and craft. Something can be taught to the stories. You plan your activity accordingly. Just like that on the spot, you cannot teach teachers. Before itself, you should plan tomorrow what I am going to teach, what activity I am going to think. Before itself, you should plan and come so that you can we can engage the children. Otherwise, children will be bored. And values for each and every activity and every lesson, you inculcate some values to the children. Nowadays our parents are ready to afford anything for their word. Even they can teach by seeing the YouTube, they can teach to the children all the methodology they know. But the what is missing at present is values. Even right from class 1 to 12th standard, in every school there are so many issues, children are unruly. So what we have to do is we should inculcate some values. Parents cannot do this, only teachers can do that too in primary stage. Teach them young. Ilamayil Kalvi, you are telling, no, whatever we teach, it will be in their mind. When we teach in their young minds, no, it won't depart even when they grow old. It will, the values what you are communicating. So after teaching every lesson, you ask, what did you learn from this lesson? What did you learn from this? So children will come out with a lot of values. Then again, we should give more stress on that values. That is more important to all the activities. Now these are the old books. You can find out the difference between the old book and the new book. And this old book also should not throw away. It should not be thrown. This should be. This is the. These books are also a resource for us. Even some picture composition can be taken from that. Unseen passage can be taken from that. So many poems are there. It can be given as a CCA program. And these books are also should be in your class library. Now again, these are the new books for class 1, Joyful Mass, Mridang and Sarangi. You all will have seen that. The picture, the first page itself, we can see that the textbook page itself, we can teach them two periods. What all they are observing, they will observe. Let them see their book, observe. Otherwise, you take this first page and put it in a panel board, you zoom it, they will be how many boys are there, how many girls are there, what are they doing, what does the boy have in his hand, he's having mridang, what is the shape. So we can correlate with the English, maths, Hindi, and what is the child is doing, grammar part, she's sitting and reading, how many animals can be seen. It is correlated with the science, nature, maths. So 1 or 2 periods, you just you keep the textbook and ask them to observe and let them talk. Even if possible, how many leaves are there, how many flowers are there, and what is the boy doing here? He is feeding the parrot. So every text, even the cover page is teaching a lot for the children. Actually, one madam had come from Aravindo Society for the Ziyat, and she told that they took lot of effort. So many people together framed this picture, but that we can bring this picture, that picture. They have taken lot of effort. Not simply the pages have been. It is teaching a lot to the children. So for this, you should give more importance, teachers. This is again the old book. This also for should be for class 2. All the books you preserve it and make use of that. And these are the new books. All should first of all learn the name of the books: Joyful Learning, Sarangi, and Mridan. And these are the old books. All I hope you all must have observed. Even Bansuri pages is attractive. In Kale Yoga books, all the pictures are more attractive because learning takes place right from the cover page. Here also class 4, and we can do so many things. What animals, it's just like a village saying, what is the girl doing, she's not able to see, this girl is playing, where is the boy sitting on the tire, what is the shape of the tire, what are the domestic animals are here dog is there. So like there are so many questions, and you can ask them to tell, well, from by seeing this picture you write as many words as possible, what all coming in your mind. So children, in that way we can increase their vocabulary. It is right from the textbook. And teachers, please, you collect all the classes 1 to 5 and read the forward page. It is giving more importance how the books have been framed. Till now, if you did not read, please read that at least 1 or 2 pages. It is more important. Again, about the book, almost in right from class 1 to 5, almost 4 to 5 pages have been given, and it is given clearly that how to go about each and every lesson along with the curricular books. It is more compulsory for you to read all the 4 pages, 4 5 pages some classes. So if you not read till now, please you read it and spend time for that. Now, teachers, you may wonder, even I wondered, why the musical instruments name for the class is English. So, it is, for example, class 1, it is given Mridang, and class 3 to 5 is given Santu. Language is not only the rules of grammar, it's about rhythm, melody, imagination, and joy. So that for class 1 learners, the first instrument is Mridang. Sometimes the children won't have seen the mridang, so it is available in all the music room. If not, also please bring the picture and show. Children, all the children will love to play mridang. It is somehow all can use easily. And so you bring that mridang and show that, and why it is because children must know that mridang. When mridang is playing, automatically they feel like dance, they feel like sing. So children catch the rhythm of English through simple rhymes, playful stories, short activities. It gives them the basic beat of language, listening, speaking, and reading. As they grow, when they come to the class 3 to 5, it is the books are handed that santur. It is also a string instrument, soft, melodious, and full of harmony. And just like its music flows gently, step by step, these textbooks also guide the children from simple words to the richer stories, short rhymes to the meaningful poems, small dialogues to confident reading and expression. When they come to the fifth standard, they will be ready to tell the story even on their own. Beginning, they'll be telling one or two sentences only, class 1 and 2. So, moreover, these instruments are our Indian musical instruments. By keeping that only, they have given the name for right name. They have selected that because of that. Now here I am showing very few poems. There are every page is beautiful. See, when I was in this age, when I was studying third and fourth standard, when my father buys bring the book, just we will open and we will smell the page. I don't know how many of you have experienced that. Now then we will open one pages after another. Is there any colorful pages are there? If there is any, very rare pages only will be colorful. See, now teachers right from class 1 to 5, each and every page is colorful and attractive. It will attract the children, and people have taken that much effort to bring that lesson in that way. Here the first lesson in class 2 is together we can. You see the pictures here, all it is correlated with the math. Children are studying in maths, the line story, a sleeping line, standing line, slanting line, curved line. So nice art. Here it is correlated with the art. And together we can, here it shows that how we should be, we can teach, we should be, what are the things we can achieve. Some CBA question can be asked, what are the things can be achieved when we are together. This poem also can be recited and also can be sung with the help of the teacher. And every lesson it is given that note to the teacher, what the teacher should do. You all the teachers should not ignore this. Even sometimes parents may ask whether the teacher did this or not. So it is your duty to go through it. And here it is collective noun. Collective noun, here it is almost 8 collective nouns have been given. First, before you teach the collective noun, first you teach the children noun. After noun only they will come to the collective noun. When it is in group, it is called collective noun. Here it is so many collective nouns children are using in their day-to-day life, but here we are giving them name. So it is can be a given can be given as a subject enrichment activity. They can children can bring more collective nouns in whatever they day to day life, and we also should discuss. And in case for to teach the collective noun, we should go with the PPT by more than 50 or 60 animals collecting noun, birds, people, everything. You should be taught in an elaborate way, so that you should be extended, not only within the textbook. The textbook should be extended. It is only just like a tool. Okay, then again, do you know? It is another one small column. Do you know? It is giving that about honeybee and ants. They are living in together. How they are communicating? It is given. So before we teach, sometimes we won't be knowing. So previous day itself, we should know about honeybees. How do they live? How they are communicated? We should come with that. The same like ants are also just we can experience in the class also. Keep one sweet and very next day come and see so many ants will have been followed that how they are communicating. This and all should be told in a detailed way. When you tell, children also will come to know. They will tell their points what all they observed. So in that way we should allow the children to talk more. Teachers should be talking less, and we should ask the children to talk more. And here also this preposition, here it is given. First you may discuss the picture with respect to the preposition in their mother tongue, L1. So behind, what is the mother tongue? What will he say? Between, near, in front of. Like that, teachers, all the words should be connected to the mother tongue. Not fully should not speak in Tamil. At least what will he say? So every child will come to know that okay, this word is this for this. There are some late bloomers. They will pick up when we teach through mother tongue. And again here there is a picture. Here every picture is telling some values. Here one boy is hurt, another boy is helping. Like that we should help each other when someone is trouble. We should inculcate some values through this. Here some children are cleaning and arranging. We should keep the classroom and home neat and tidy. We should give the values. Here, how do they walk in the pedestrian street? Here, the girl is holding the old mother. How should we take care of the old mother? So every picture will speak a lot. You should also should give more information to the children. Here, children together inclusiveness. Here, the child is not able to walk. They are drawing what they are drawing. How we should help each other, and some manners. Here, teacher is taking the class. She's asking the question. Children should raise up their hand. So this is the good manner among the four pictures. So many manners that should be taught to the children and followed by the questions. And here, note to the teacher is given. Teacher wherever note to the teacher should be followed strictly. And here almost again we are working together some activities how to make the togetherness. It is a an art and craft activity. Either you can supply the paper to the children or we can ask the children to make this. It is out of dolls. Togetherness, beautiful. So it is connected with art, craft, song, discussion, everything. All the note to the teachers you might have noticed. I no need to say that because almost 6 months you handled the book and some mistakes what you are doing. Children often have the habit of using terms like cousin. Even bigger people, not only children, cousin brother. You no need to say cousin brother or cousin sister. The teaching may be enlightened the student. Grammatically is correct as cousin is enough. So from today when you teach, people will be able to say it is my cousin. No need to say cousin brother, cousin sister. So like that, so many things children are learning. Here again, let's create. How to create? For example, out in the garden, it is already in this poem is in the previous book itself. Here only the three paragraphs have been given. Teachers, you can add almost you will be adding more than 20 actions or 25 actions can be taught. So teachers, you should not think this poem is very simple. I taught these three paragraph. I gave the question paper. My lesson is over. Within one period, everything will be over. But you should create more action words, more than 25. So just you should not go about textbook alone. You should go beyond the textbook. Again here, what do? Some animals and their action. You add some more. Even children will self, they will be adding so many things. Just we should ask them what are the animals can be added, their action. Again, let us create. Take a bus second standard English. At present, I'm handling. Yeah, almost three paragraphs are there. Children have created around 6 paragraphs and they have sung this poem also. They only are bringing, madam, this vehicle can be added, bullock cart, horse cart, they have added. So, these three paragraph poem has been increased to 7 paragraphs in my classroom now. So, teachers, just like that, you teach and don't leave. You should be create. Let us create more paragraph from this textbook. Again, let us create this poem also. So many poems here. The hop like frog, like let them bring all the animals and its action. So they previous days will tell they will refer from Google or something. They will bring and you also must go through before you teach the lesson. What are the animals? Still I can add some more. So without preparation we cannot teach. Before itself we should practice and come what all I am going to teach today. Now again, let us learn. Another says these are the activities almost in all the textbook, right from class 1 to 5th. Now stringing together. Jeevan waited. Jeevan waited for the bus. Jeevan waited for the bus all morning. Like that, the line is extended. It is almost exploring. So same like you give the sentence for even class 1. I tried with this class 2. They are making the sentence up to 4 words, 5 words. This is in this way they will frame the sentence. Their vocabulary also improved. They will think what can be added. They will write. So they will be compare each other. They will discuss each other like that. That teaching will be going easily. And most of the books there are picture composition and almost we teachers are almost we are avoiding. So otherwise we are just like that, we are skip and go. This is more important and this is only the almost like this is the CPA questions. Children can observe and they can tell more about this picture composition. It can be taught even 1 period, 2 periods. Every lesson, class 1, so many beautiful pictures are given. Children can talk more about this. Now here I have brought up, apart from textbook, it is ICRU's first day of school. I request all the teachers, please unmute and please all the schools please unmute and see the picture and answer to me what are all you are observing. So it will be suitable for all the classes. The same way you should go about from picture composition. Please you tell me what all you are observing now. This is the first page. Ikru, the name of the boy is Ikru, is going to the school on the first day. Can you tell me what are all you are observing here? Please teachers come up. What are all you are observing? I couldn't hear your voice. Tell me now. Here, this boy is Ikru. He is going to school. With whom he is going? Mother. Very good. Again, what is he watching there? Tell me. Ah, he's watching a dog. How many people are? So many people are going. Here, another one girl is going. You tell me just what all you observe here. Father, but the father is carrying her bag. Here, Ikru is carrying his own bag. And another one child, he's going with mother in two-wheeler. These two children are walking. These children are going by thing. Ah, here on the way there is helmet for the small child also. Ah, very nice. Again, here there is one van. Some children are coming by van. Here there is one shop. What is that lady doing? Ah, she's very busy in phone. So almost they are going to the school. So when you show to this such picture, the children will come out more answered. How many trees are there? You are able to see big trees. How many trees are there? One, two, three. Here two buildings are there. One is yellow building, one is blue building. Which is longer than? Which is the longest one? Which is longer? The blue building is longer. Okay, it is longer than the yellow building. Like that, you can ask more question. Now here, Ikru is going to school by walk. Now, what is happening? Teachers, please tell me. He almost reached the school. Ah, he is looking at the teacher. The teacher is also calling the boy. See the facial expression of the boy. What is he doing? He's so scared. The first time he's seeing that. By seeing that, another girl at the back, she is also so scared. Their teacher is very kind to invite them, but even then, no, they are with the parents, they are hesitating. Now come to the third one. What is going? Ikru almost entered the school. Okay, again he is turning back. His mother is saying bye bye. He look at that. There are two boys. What are they doing? One boy is crying. Another boy is telling, "Don't cry. Come, come, come." The parent is going busily because if he stands some more time, the boy will cry some more. Here all are sending sent up. This girl, she's not able to move. The teacher is holding the tune. Maybe they both are new. Here already some children reached in school. What is the boy doing? He's very naughty. He started playing. This girl sitting quietly waiting for. Ah, there is separate place to keep their school bag and lunch bag. They are hanging it. Another one boy on the side, he's peeping here. So look at the scene. The first day when the child comes. See, when you show to the children, children will come out with so many questions and so many. Everybody will come out with a different. Ah, the teacher is wearing sari. She has kept the white flower on her head. She's so kind enough. She's holding the hands of the children and going. And parents also, they didn't like to go because they are telling bye bye. It is happening in our school every day. Parents are not leaving. They are blocking the gate and they are telling bye bye everything. That should be avoided. Tell your parents, instruct your parents. Let them leave and go. Here now, this girl, he doesn't know. First time he has come. So what is the girl doing? Ah, she is telling you should leave the bag here. She's helping the new boy. At last, he also became friend now. She's taking him out. She's telling, come, we'll go and climb on the tree. She's leading. This Ikru also felt very happy. He is about to climb on the tree. Again, he reached the tree. Suddenly, what happened? What happened the last picture? Ah, if I fall down, if my mother is there, she will catch immediately. Now I am almost reached. If I fall down, what will happen? He started crying. Next, what happened here? Ah, the boy is telling, don't cry. I will hold you. How to come down? He is showing. This is the way you should jump. And he's look at the boy. Ikru is looking at the boy. Again, what happens here? They both became friends. They are talking something about insects in the tree, maybe on the ground. Again, bell rings. All the children are getting inside the classroom. How many children are entering inside the classroom? Can you tell me? Can you count and tell me how many children are entering inside the classroom? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost here one latecomer. Okay, the mother has come with a small baby also. The teacher is taking all the children inside the classroom. Now, what happens here? Teacher is teaching the class about rain. Teacher is taking the class about Rain. But some children are not attentive here. This boy is one side is beating the drum and he's another is singing. Another one he's completely she's singing, but her concentration is playing on blocks. And this boy is not singing. He's thinking about his toy bus. Go home and toy bus. Transport and toy bus. Sometimes he may have the toy bus, bus and he's home. He's thinking about that. All of the children are happily they are singing. The first period is about the topic rain. All the even where is Ikru sitting? He is also happily singing the song. Next, what happens? The next period. What is going here? Art period. You look at the expression of all the children. Some they started, and this child almost completed within a short time. In our classroom also, if we give any work, one or two children will come immediately. Madam, I finished. This boy is thinking. Here he's lying on that and he's thinking. Here one was crying, one was standing at the door. Now they became friends and they are teaching each other. And the Ikru, he's showing this. They both became friends now because as soon as the Ikru entered, this girl helped. So they are sitting together. They became. Now this boy is pointing out her face. Some color is and she's also see now the expressions of different children. This is art period. Now how many children are sitting here? How many children are sitting here? 10, 11. I hope 11. One boy is lying, remaining okay, 11 children are sitting in that class. Now art class goes easily. Here is telling we can draw crocodile. He is telling one is drawing apple. They are discussing whether we can draw crocodile or this apple or something. They are discussing colorful. See that. Now come. What happened now? Here the meal is supplied. See, he is smelling. Ikru is smelling. The teacher is taking all the children to the wash basin to wash their hands. Tell them, children, as now at present you act as the children. He is smelling. Now the teacher's role again. She taught morning 2 period classes. Now she is serving the food. The green color food, what it may be, I don't know what color food it is. It is in green color. See now, this girl is blinking whether we can eat or not. The second child, she has brought up in the best way. Before eating, she is praying. The second girl is praying. The third boy is happy, I'm going to eat. Fourth boy is also thinking. This boy is also hesitating. Now, Ikru, what happened to Ikru? What happened to Ikru? Mother, every time a mother will feed. Then now today he has to eat on his phone. He's thinking immediately now and then. First day, now he's thinking about his mother. Next, again, lunch is over. They are free to play. What happens to Ikru? Immediately he wants to go to toilet. Some children immediately after the lunch they will try to go to the toilet. This boy is waiting whether parents are coming to pick up him or not. Here one boy, see, he's playing with the doll and he's telling everyone to keep quiet because the baby is sleeping, he's telling. This girl, as usual, happy mood. This boy immediately after is crying. What for he's crying? Can you tell? Because this boy wants this doll. This girl is carrying this doll. He is asking for the doll. Here some are drawing. This boy is playing with the duster. So many. They are free now. They are free to do any activities as they like. Now here comes again afternoon period started. The teacher's classes. What class is going? Papa show storytelling. Morning they had 2 classes, song, art. Now storytelling class. The teacher is teaching the story with the puppet. All the children are observing. Look at that Igru. He is keenly observing. And look at this boy, the blue shirt wala. He is about to sleep. Even whatever methodology follow, there will be one or two children will be sleeping. We should wake them up. Again, they are enjoying the puppet show. Almost this boy, he lie down and he started snoring and sleeping. So sometimes people are telling if the small children they are sleeping, we should not disturb them. We can allow them to sleep for 10 or 15 minutes and slowly we should wake them. Suddenly we should not wake them because the boy after small children, it happens in classes 1 and 2 generally. Now Ikru is so happy. Now bell rang. The teacher is taking all the children out. Okay, all the children are going in line, so they are so happy. Again, what is going here? Tell me. Here, when they enter, it shows that when they enter the classroom, they should not wear their shoes and socks. Here, all are wearing their shoes and socks. Okay. Again, the same yellow shirt Wally helping Ikru how to wear the shoe. She's expert. She's helping. She's having helping tendency. Here what is happening? These two, the boy and girl, they are fighting for the lunch bag. Sometimes children, they don't know which is their lunch bag. Sometimes same children will, they will be having the same lunch bag. This boy till now he was sleeping. Now he is ready to run to go about outside. Here the children are taking their bag. Ikru is very careful. He first itself he brought the bag and kept closer, and he's wearing the shoe. First time as he's wearing, this girl is helping. By that time the teacher is closing the door. Now all the parents came. This Ikru is waiting for his father. Father didn't come till now. Now, at last, he saw his father. He is running fast and hugging his father. Now, the father is carrying the boy on his shoulder and going home. It's a nice village scene. Most of the parents are going by walking. The boy almost, he was very tired and nicely snoring and sleeping. So, teachers, this is the way we should go with the so many picture composition. The same thing if you brought and if you are taking and going for next session, no child will respond. Every at least weekly once you select some. There are books without words. You scan it, make a PPT like that, and show to them, and allow the children to talk. All will be focused on the picture. They will. All the children will participate. Everyone will bring one answer. In that way, we can develop their speaking till observation, and they are listening, speaking. Their attention won't go anywhere. Even the book picture also can be in the panel board. You zoom and show. They will. If you ask them to see the book, sometimes they won't be seen. But when you teach, when you show them through the panel board, all will be observing, and you can ask them what are the words related to that. How many people are there? We can correlate with the maths, science, Hindi, all the subject, art, craft, everything can be integrated along with these small stories. And even the book stories, sometimes some we are ignoring and going hereafter, because in a 1 month, one picture composition for class 1 and one lesson. So all these 20-25 days, how can we pass the time? Not within 1 or 2 days, we cannot complete. Like that, you should extend that. Here, teachers, this is a new book guided by NEP and FLNR, lighter, friendlier, and closer to the real life. These books are tools of possibility, helping us shape curious, capable learners ready for tomorrow's world. Let us embrace this journey with enthusiasm, shaping education that inspires. Together, we can unlock new pathways of learning, benefiting our students and enriching our teaching practices. We should, whatever KVS is introducing, we should not take it as a burden. Should be taken as a service. We should accept as a happily. And still, there are some more exercises for all the lesson. As far as my, whenever I take classes, even right from class 1 to 5, teaching verb, noun, and describing words, naming, these and all mandatory and compulsory right from class 1 you teach. For class 1, when you teach, first you teach present tense and past tense you teach. Again, when you go to the higher class, you can go present tense, past tense, and past participle. And tell them to pick the noun. What are all called noun? You give them correct explanation. So tell them to pick down the noun from the lesson. Tell them to underline the noun from the lesson. And you take the sight words, give the meaning, and tell them to tell one sentence. Every child will come out with the different sentences. And we also should ready to correct, because we are only the facilitator. They should speak sight words, and tell them to do so many vocabulary games. You go with that. For example, I used to give the hopscotch game. So many children, I have the videos, I'll show you. From that sight words, around 10 words you take and tell them, and it should give them enough time for them to do that activity at their home. Let them go to their open terrace. Let them draw the square like small boxes, and tell the parents to write the spelling of the word. All the spellings. You tell that what all the alphabet are coming in the 10 words. They should write. And the parents should tell the word, and children should hop and find the word. For example, throw. First, the child should jump on T. Then, where is height? She must observe. In that way, of course, the beginning, very few children will do that. By seeing that, by end of the month, all the children will post an activity. In that way, they can learn the spelling very easily. And in the classes, you can conduct some bingo game. So you start any one of the letter. You start any one of the letter. For example, T. So some children, suddenly they should, all the children will think of some words. For example, some children will think, some will be thinking throw. So I think you all will be doing this. But for example, I'm telling T. The next girl is telling R. Suddenly the third children should another children should be ready. Oh, maybe she's coming to come for tree, so TRE. Another child should another E. So I completed the word bingo. So whoever completed the word, they should come out of that. Like that, they will be ready to give the bingo game in the classroom. And sentence making, what you have to do is you take any one of the sentence, you type it, you cut into two small pieces, and put it in a balloon and tell the children to blow. They should blow and break. It is group ways you can do that. Four groups or five groups, five balloons, you put the sentence, and everyone they should blow, and the balloon should burst. Then they should pick the paper, and within a short time they should be given a small chart paper. They should arrange the words in a sentence, and they should stick. It should be given blue, and they will be bring, and which group is finishing the line first will be the winner. Like that, you can take that. So many vocabulary games are available to improve their speaking skill. And pick and speak, you can write the words and tell some words, pick the word and read. And so many phonics activities are given. Sounds for right from class 1, words starting with the S height. So that's and all. We should plan and come. We should prepare well and come. We should teach them in a correct way, because whatever we teach, it will be recorded in their mind forever. So without preparation, teachers, we should not come. I hope teachers, you got some points. Hope you all are experts. And the junior teachers, there are senior teachers in your school, they are expert. Any doubts, you don't have ego, you go and ask them. And more experiential learning you should be given. Children should be allowed. So many lessons are in English, are dramatization based, skit based. All my lessons, whatever I am taking, whether it is English or EVS or science or maths, I will have a skit on that. I will think for that before itself, related to that. So you can see that I have all my videos. Some I will dramatize. Beautiful props, when you go with the beautiful props and TLMs, attractive TLMs. Nowadays so many plenty of ready-made TLMs we have bought for PMC school for lakhs and lakhs of rupees. You can take that. In case if it is needed, you can make the attractive TLMs. We can get the help from the parents. They will prepare and come. When you prepare the TLMs, you prepare for the whole class. Not even a single child should be left out. So like that, you can go with attractive props, so the children will be very eager to learn that. And everything is skit. When you give, so many children will come forward. Whenever we teach the lesson through dramatization, so many repetitions, rehearsal will be going on the class. So when the rehearsals are going, the concept will be recorded in the rest of the children. One fine day, everybody will be ready to act for all the roles. It will be going easily. And reading, give a model reading. Now panel boards are there. It download the lesson and show, and every child to come and read, and ask the children to read the lesson from their home and send the video. I used to do that. See, by seeing that even the parents, those are not having the facilities at their home, they also will make their word to read and send the video. Sometimes they won't have the proper mobile phone, they won't have the proper house setting. Even I will tell them, you go to the open terrace and read, you go to the garden and read. Beautiful way they will say. At the end of the month, children must be ready to read the whole lesson. Hope you all of you knowing that you are following children. So when we open Mridan and Sandur, we are not opening the textbook. We are striking of imagination, creating music with words, and let them enjoy the sound of learning. English textbooks are not just about changing chapters, they are about changing experience. Bye, teachers. Hope you have got something. If anything, any doubts, you can ask. For my level, I clarify. Otherwise, English almost covered. Thing is, our teachers also should read the full books thoroughly.